how did you begin making these soul drawings?
Well, you and I, we were taking soul embodiment workshops with Diana Bella, and one of the exercises was to draw something representing our souls, what they might look like. Immediately I was gravitated towards stars in the universe, that each of them are individual balls of energy, and I thought that represented our souls. Our souls are full of energy, and we're just housed in these tabernacles, which we call our bodies. The drawings started out as individual souls, and then I also created other ones, such as a binary system in which two souls with their energies meet, and I had one that was yellow and one that was blue, and then they were converging, and their energy was being, each other's energies was being absorbed into the other. And that's how I define what a marriage or union would be. They were binary stars in which two of them come close together and then they absorb each other. And there was another kind of soul embodiment drawing I did, is that I had a black hole. One of the souls was being sucked into that black hole. It goes along with the theory that's mentioned about black holes, that there's an event horizon that you approach, and if you pass that, then it's too late and you become spaghettified. It means that you get stretched out, and one of my drawings depict that, and the black hole represents depression or being oppressed or bullied, and the soul has to be rescued. If they don't, then the soul being sucked in means the soul being snuffed out. And then I had other souls drawings that I've done in which I had the star-like sphere, and then I included images of capillary action kind of going around like in a hurricane type thing. And they also look like electricity, because we have electricity flowing through our bodies. They spread out into the universe sometimes, or sometimes they're just contained, like just charging up. But I have other ones in which the capillaries or the electricity energy is like spreading out into the universe. It creates an interesting concept, and it clearly represents what our souls are when we operate. This is known as a faggot weld. Which is basically stacking strips of iron and steel and then just whacking them together.